Welcome back to the channel JK World. This is gonna blow your mind. Building a business from the ground up is tough. You're hustling 24/7, wearing a million hats, and it feels like there's never enough time in the day. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon, a tool that can work as hard as you do, 24/7 without complaining? That's what I'm talking about today. We're diving deep into the world of AI, and no, it's not science fiction. It's here right now, ready to explode your business growth. We're talking 5 game-changing ways AI can take you from overwhelmed and overworked to laser-focused and crushing it. So buckle up, because things are about to get really, really good. Let's get started. AI-powered market research. Know your customer before they know themselves. You can have the greatest product in the world, but if you don't know who you're selling to, you're dead in the water. That's where AI comes in like a boss. Forget spending months on expensive consultants and surveys. We're talking real-time data. AI tools like Google Trends track what people are searching for, what they're talking about, what's on their minds right now. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the future of your industry. ChatGPT can analyze mountains of data in seconds, giving you insights into your target audience's desires, pain points, and buying habits. Platforms like SEMrush dissect your competitors, revealing their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. Knowledge is power, and AI gives you the knowledge to outmaneuver the competition and dominate your niche. Imagine launching a product and knowing there's a hungry audience ready to buy. AI takes the guesswork out and lets you focus on creating amazing products and services. Ready to unlock the power of AI-driven market research? Your competitors are already in the game. Personalization is the name of the game. AI-powered customer experiences. Let's talk about customer experience. In today's world, it's not enough to just meet expectations. You've got to exceed them. People want to feel special, seen, and understood. That's where AI comes in and blows everything else out of the water. Think about Netflix and Amazon. They're constantly recommending products and content tailored to your specific tastes. Chatbots provide instant 24/7 support, answering questions, resolving issues, and guiding customers through their buying journey. Recommendation engines analyze customer data to suggest products and services that perfectly match their needs and preferences. CRMs like Salesforce use AI to give you a 360-degree view of your customers, tracking their interactions, preferences, and purchase history. With AI, you can create personalized experiences that make your customers feel like VIPs. Nurture relationships, build loyalty, and turn one-time buyers into raving fans. That's how you create a brand that people love, trust, and keep coming back to. Ready to elevate your customer experience with AI? Stop wasting time. Automate the boring stuff with AI. Nobody's got time for tedious, repetitive tasks. You're an entrepreneur, a visionary, a hustler. You shouldn't be bogged down with admin work. That's where AI steps in to save the day. Zapier connects all your favorite apps and automates those repetitive tasks. Grammarly catches all those pesky typos and grammatical errors, making you look like a pro. AI assistants like ChatGPT can handle a ridiculous amount of tasks, from writing blog posts to creating presentations. Imagine waking up to see your tasks for the day already handled. Your schedule is optimized, your emails are answered, and your content is ready to be published. Ditch the mundane, embrace the future, and let AI handle the boring stuff. You've got bigger dreams to chase and a business to build. the right time. Built to scale: how AI future-proofs your growth. Let's talk about scaling your business to the moon and beyond. Scaling isn't just about growing big, it's about growing smart. It's about creating a business that's sustainable, efficient, and built to last. AI is the secret sauce that makes it all possible. AI-powered tools analyze sales data, predict demand, and automate your entire inventory process. No more stockouts, no more wasted inventory, just a perfectly optimized supply chain. AI forecasting uses machine learning to predict future trends, demand, and customer behavior. AI-powered customer service solutions like Intercom can handle thousands of customer queries simultaneously. Scaling your business is all about working smarter, not harder. Leverage technology to automate processes, optimize efficiency, and create a business that can handle massive growth. With AI by your side, the sky's the limit. Ready to unlock the true potential of your business? Starting their own business.